Caution! The winding of a toroid for a one-to-one balun may cause boredom and in extreme cases, drowsiness. Do not watch this video while driving or operating heavy machinery. If you're an experienced toroid winder or antenna maker, rather than giving me a thumbs down for boring you for the next 7 minutes, you should move on and click on a more exciting YouTube video. This video will not rack up the subscribers or set the YouTube algorithm on fire. But for those of you who fear winding a toroid, the next 7 boring minutes will leave you thinking, if this guy can do it, I can do it. I've decided to play at normal speed, full length, for those of you who need to build up the courage to wrap your first toroid, and hopefully you get a sense of how it's done. See you on the other side. The first thing we're going to do is get our wire straightened out. No trick here. Simple stuff. And we're going to be manipulating both wires at the same time. They don't have to be perfectly straight. All right, the first thing we're going to want to do is to put a bend 90 degrees, about 3 inches in. Is that 3 inches? Close enough. All right, that is going to go up against the toroid here. We're going to wrap 14 times. So let's go ahead and get this started. Once you get a few wraps on here, it will become much easier. Right, 1 wrap, done. Now let's keep our wires parallel to each other. Wrap number 2. We'll get them generally in place, and then we can manipulate them as we need to. Okay. You can see I'm wrapping counterclockwise. Wrap number 3. I may choose to speed some of these up in the video and then just pause at more critical moments. Okay, you can see that I'm staying very parallel with my wires. I'm not crossing over. Keep them tight. Wrap 4. Five. All right, I can see I got crossed over there. Take care of that before I bend it down the rest of the way. Six. Seven. Crossed over again. Keep them parallel. Okay, now on number 8, we're going to cross over and go under toroid. Cross over and go under. Under. And that is considered Number 8, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, we can manipulate these when we're done. We can make them look pretty, get everybody lined up. And we're going to pick up with number 8 over here, close to where these two wires are. All right, so we're coming back this direction with this wrap. And that will be number 9. If you get crossed over, just remanipulate the wires. That's what I just did there. I got crossed over in the wrap. This is number 9. This will be 10. Crossed over again. See where I crossed it over? We're just going to fix that now. No big deal. Done. All right, lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going for 14 wraps. $11. 12. 13. And 14. Right, now I'm going to take just a minute and space these out a little better, so I'm more happy with that. I'll be back on camera in just a second. There we have it. Our toroid is wrapped. All I did off camera was take my fingernails and manhandle the pairs so that they were spread out a little bit more evenly across the toroid. Up next, let's get this attached to our frame winder, and then we'll do some soldering.